Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to solve unknown USB device descriptor request failed in Windows 10, 8, and 7. First, change the USB selective suspend settings. To do that, click the search icon below and search for Edit Power Plan. In here, select Change Advanced Power Settings. In the pop-up window, double-click on the USB, then double-click again the USB selective. Change settings to Disabled, and then click Apply below, then OK. For the second method, try to disable the fast startup. Click the search icon below and search for the power options. Now open this app. Then click the additional power settings on the screen. Next, click the choose what power button do. Next, click the change settings that are currently unavailable. Then uncheck the button beside the fast startup and click the Save Changes below. Third method you can try is to reinstall the unknown USB device driver. Go to your device manager, then expand the Universal Serial Bus Controller, then right-click the unknown USB device and select Uninstall. After the uninstallation, restart your computer and the problem should now be fixed.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.